Using the angled support arm. Remember, Blok N Mesh recommend that its products are handled and installed by a minimum of 2 people, and that installers should wear mandatory personal protective equipment required for the site, including gloves. For information about setting up basic mesh fencing and using blocks and couplers, see video number 1 in this series. There are various ways to secure your mesh fencing, from simple anti-lift attachments to ballast blocks. For help in choosing the best selection for your application, call your Blok N Mesh representative or the technical sales team at bloknmesh.com. Using ballast blocks with an angled support arm. Insert the angled support arm into the block as shown and tighten the 2 nuts to secure. Add the required ballast before connecting the brace to the fence panels. Various ballast blocks can be used, including the 20 kilo solo blocks as shown, or the 50 kilo brace block. They can be used singularly or in combination as illustrated. Please note, the 50 kilo brace block is a 2-person lift and the illustrated lifting tool should be used. The angled support arm requires an additional coupler to be placed in the middle of the fence panel as shown to secure the arm to the fencing. Blok N Mesh is a market-leading manufacturer, supplier and installer of temporary fencing, site hoarding and barriers. For further information or to see the full range of bracing options, including new options which will be available in late 2022, go to bloknmesh.com.